Hi. So, drain waste pipe on the dishwasher broken due to somebody pulling it too hard, who shall remain nameless, the girlfriend. So this is for a Hot Point SDL 510 dishwasher, slimline. So the problem with this is this bit here is a bit weird, and this bit here is a bit weird. The universal one, completely different size at the end and there, doesn't fit. Another universal one here, again, doesn't fit. And at the other end, it doesn't fit the fitting on the hose. So what is the cheapest and easiest solution? You go to the plumb centre and somebody tells you, oh, just get one of these and two of these and join it together. £3 5p. Top tip, he said, put the hose bits in warm water to make them more pliable. I'm also going to wrap some that little latex tape around the ends to try and seal it up. So anyway, £3 5p for those bits there. Job done.